set against the backdrop of the Ruwenberg Hotel in the Netherlands. Customers and partners came together to focus on what matters most, solving real-world mobility challenges. The event features immersive demo zone to give customers and partners live demonstration of the key products. Through this product demonstration, attendees saw how the challenges they face every day they can be simplified, streamlined, and solved with SOTI solution. Open conversation with the SOTI team and partners help turn challenges into clear, actionable next steps.
I'm a big fan of SOTI XSight. It offers so much opportunities for dramatically increase of efficiency of workflows.
Of course, we all know mobility control, but next to that we see now XSight coming up. And if you make a connector with XSight, with AI, it's fantastic. It's unbelievable what you can do with that.
Thank you to all who attended and helped make the event so impactful.
SOTI is where new ideas become realities.
Discover how SOTI helps organizations rethink mobility.